I want to show you how to make pesto, one of the easiest things you could possibly make yourself with only just a few ingredients. It's the pesto from my cookbook, Earth to Table, and it's super easy, super delicious. It's dairy-free, it's gluten-free, and it's so good for you. And it's full of lovely, fresh, restorative and mineral-rich herbs. I've got parsley, cleansing parsley. I've got antioxidant-rich spinach here. I've got some macadamia nuts, I've got a little bit of nutritional yeast, but you can also use parmesan if you want, and a tiny squeeze of lemon, but it's purely delicious. It's simple, easy, fresh, perfect for your soups, salads, lasagnas, or anything you want. So what I want to do first is just put in some macadamia nuts into my little retro hand blender. I love these little things. And a nice, generous amount of fresh parsley. That's what I love about these little blenders. You know, I can make them just for my husband and I don't have to make a big batch, and they'll be fantastic for 1 or 2 days rather than having to make a lot. So I've got parsley here, I've got stalks and all, and I've also got a nice generous handful of spinach. So pick it into there, and a very light caress, a very light touch of nutritional yeast. You can also use parmesan. You don't want too much. You don't want to overpower the dish. You want to keep it nice and fresh. A generous pinch of salt. A little bit of lemon juice. Just a little tiny squeeze, not too much. And a beautiful, generous drizzle of golden olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. And now all we do is blend. Look at this, it's smooth, it's creamy, it's golden, it's green, it's fantastic. And now this is the stage where you test your pesto. So make sure that the seasoning's right, make sure you're happy with everything. You can even at this stage water it down a little bit. If I was putting this through a pasta, I would use a bit of hot water and fold it through as well, and fold it through my pasta or a lasagna or anything like that. But this is fantastic. So this is the key. This is the secret to perfect pesto every single time. Enjoy.